Question 6 starts in the way of the binomial, so cos theta plus I sine theta equals cos to the power of 6, and so on and all of that. I won't do all of that again, and so that gives us cos 6 theta plus I sine 6 theta equals all of those bits that are expanded out, and you get through to the answer that they want there. But the interesting part of this next one is part B. I'll do part B here, seeing as all the rest of it we've done before. You'll notice this equation here has exactly the same coefficients as the big long proof that you've just done, but they've got a -3/2 here, and actually you only want the -1. So rather than writing -3/2 equals 0, let's just change that to a -1 and add that half to both sides. And so we get all the way through to just this. And now let x equal cos theta. So if x equals cos theta, we've now got the exact expansion that we were just looking for. Cos to the 6 theta, 48 cos to the 4 theta, 18 cos squared theta, -1 equals a half. And we know from the earlier part that all of this is just exactly the same as cos 6 theta. So cos 6 theta equals a half. And let's try and solve that now then. So cos 6 theta equals a half. Let's grab our calculator and do that. Let's do that with an n solve, shall we? So options, calculations, n solve, and I'm just going to do cos 6x equals a half. And I'm trying to find x, and let's just make up a range. So we just go minus pi to pi. Let's do that for a second. Minus pi to pi. Oops, I've gone wrong there, haven't I? Minus pi to pi. And it gives me a whole long list of answers. We know there's more, but here are... Now, all of those are the answers for cos theta. And we could write them out if we really wanted to, but I wouldn't, because there's too many of them and it's going to take too long. So cos theta equals all of those things there. We could just, I suppose, do the general form of the answer, couldn't we? That actually that cos theta is going to be equal to the inverse cos of a half is pi over 3, and then plus 2 pi. And we could do 2 pi lots of times, and it's plus or minus. So we could think about doing that. But the fun thing about doing this on the calculator is, of course, this, remember, was our answers for cos theta. Now, x is equal to cos theta. And so if I now just do the cos of list answer, so the cos of list answer, and it gives me all of these different ones here. Let's have a look at them all here. So the first one I've got here is minus 0.642, and that's to 3 decimal places, well, 643 actually, isn't it, rounding it there. So there's one answer. Here's another answer, minus 342. Now here's another answer, it's just the positive version of that. So I've got plus or minus that one. Here's another answer that's just the positive answer of that. So I've got plus or minus that one as well. Have we got any more? Here's another one, 0.985. Another one there. All of these are the same. Now, the one I'm missing there, because I didn't go far enough in the range, is there's actually a -1 there as well. And I know there's got to be 6 ones there. I know there's got to be 6 answers because it was next to the 6 graph. A little bit annoying that I didn't go far enough. So I'd have to actually go back here and change this range here. So let's go 2 pi and 2 pi. And the lovely thing, of course, the calculator is it does it all for you. And now, have we got any more answers now then? Go on, let's have another one there. Well, look, there is a -1 that comes through as well. I'll try and find it for you in a second. I found one. It took me a while. What was happening was the calculator was only giving the first 10 answers here when I did it. And so even though I changed that range there, it wasn't getting me to the right one. So I've just gone from pi to 3 pi there. And when I tap that in fact, you can see it, the first one there, can't you? It's the negative one there.